Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious rice kheer. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of short grain rice, about 6 cups of whole milk, and half a cup of sugar. Don't forget a pinch of saffron and a few green cardamom pods for that authentic aroma. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This simple preparation ensures a delightful dessert. Now let's get cooking. Begin by washing your 1 cup of rice thoroughly under cold water until it runs clear. Then, soak the rice for about 30 minutes. This helps it cook evenly. Combine the soaked rice with 6 cups of milk in a heavy-bottomed pot. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and cook slowly, stirring occasionally until the rice is tender and the mixture begins to thicken. Once the rice is tender, it's time to add the flavor. Stir in your half cup of sugar and the crushed cardamom pods. You can also add a pinch of saffron for color and fragrance. Next, incorporate your favorite nuts, such as slivered almonds or pistachios, and some dried fruits like raisins. Continue to simmer gently for another 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the kheer to thicken to your desired consistency. Your homemade rice kheer is now ready to be enjoyed. You can serve it warm, which is wonderfully comforting, or chill it for a refreshing dessert. Garnish each serving with a sprinkle of chopped pistachios, a few strands of saffron, or even a touch of rose petals for an elegant finish. It's a versatile treat perfect for any occasion. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, there's a fantastic book linked in the description, along with other exclusive deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.